Relaxation, all for the patient. My homies got green and steam for show though. So I can get a photo. My little cousin rushing to the park to lunch, standing in line to get a free lunch. Why do we do what we do? What we do? What we do? What we do? With no curfew. One more thing we do. Summertime in the LBC. Ooh, my God. Summertime in the LBC. Yeah. Damn, it's hot little mother. I'm smothering wisdom, barbecue sauce. Hey, talk. If they reach across my barbecue grill. So continue to chill. Hey, acting spark in the LBC. That's where you find me. Hanging with my homies and my friends. We got the coke in hand. We got the 5 footers in a twin. We got Warren G.